This is the Tecno Camon 40 Premier, and trust me when I say this might just be the best device Tecno has made in 2025. And for a price of about 720,000 naira for the 12 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigs of storage option, this phone is gradually stepping into the premium territory. But wait, why should you consider this above the competition in the market? And why should you even spend 720,000 naira on a Tecno device in 2025? Well, all these questions will be answered in the course of this video. But before then, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Unboxing the Tecno Camon 40 Premier, we are greeted with the phone, 70-watt charging brick, a USB-C to C cable, and a very nice phone case that matches the vibe of this phone. Nice. First thing I noticed about the Tecno Camon 40 Premier when I saw it was that it has a different design language from its siblings, right? It recycles the same design of the Camon 30 Premier, which, to be honest, I think that is fine. It is the only way they can differentiate it from its younger siblings, in my own opinion. It doesn't feel and look like a regular budget Tecno phone. This build is clean, it is premium, and it is flat all round with curved corners that feel really good in the hand. It has a smart satin finish at the back, and the camera bump, it's screaming flagship. It is now properly centered at the center, if that makes sense. It is also IP69/IP68 rated, and that means it can survive submerged inside water up to 2 meters. But as always, please protect your investment. It comes in two colors, which are emerald green and the galaxy black. And you already know the galaxy black is my favorite. But I would not reject the emerald green either. But that is my own opinion. Let me know about your favorite color down below in the comments. Now to the display, it is crazily good. It's a 6.6 inches LTPO AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, which simply means it will automatically scale between 144 Hz and 1 Hz, depending on what you are doing on your device at that point in time. It gets up to 1300 nits peak of brightness, which simply means either you are outdoors watching something or you are indoors scrolling on the internet. It is bright, it is punchy, and it is very smooth. Plus, content consumption on this display wouldn't be a problem as it has really thin symmetrical bezels roundabout. And to be honest, that's like my favorite thing about the Camon 40 Premier display. It is also protected with a Corning Gorilla Glass 7 High, which Tecno is claiming that it can survive a drop of 2 meters. But as always, to get a screen protector, it will help a bunch. Performance on the Tecno Camon 40 Premier is actually more than numbers. Under the hood, we have the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, and trust me, this thing is fast. Either you are switching between editing photos, answering messages, watching YouTube, and even gaming, it handles it pretty well. Plus, it will play all your favorite mobile games at impressive graphics settings with no lags or hiccups. But be aware that you must need to have impressive and stable internet connection in your area. Also, the Tecno Camon 40 Premier comes with 12 gigs of RAM and a 256 gigs of storage option, which makes multitasking smooth like butter. And I might be wrong, but I think at this price range, this is the best gaming device you can get in the market right now at this price point. Software on all the Camon lineup is typically the same, and the Tecno Camon 40 Premier is not left behind. It stacks all the features, customizations from its siblings. It has AI features like text summarization, image extender, image editor, and many more. I made a detailed software breakdown. Check out my review on the Camon 40 and the Camon 40 Pro for that. And Tecno is promising 3 years of software updates, and they are promising 2 years of security patches. And that means the Tecno Camon 40 Premier will be getting the Android 18 at most. Now, let's talk cameras. This is where it gets very serious. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier has a triple 50 megapixel sensor on the back. It has a 50 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, 50 megapixel periscope lens that gives you 3 times optical zoom that can give you this professional blurry background you might be looking for, which other people normally call cinematic mode. It also has a 50 megapixel ultra wide. Photos are crisp, oh my god. And I don't mean overly saturated or fake crisp. I mean real flagship like detail. The zoom lens is also really good, especially in daylight.
And for the selfie camera, it is also 50 megapixel and it does the same job even in low light condition.
And for videos, the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere can shoot at 4K 60 frames per second max for both the front and the back camera, which I think is very impressive, right? And the stabilization mode is actually really good also. Battery life and charging speed on the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere is actually top class. It comes with a 5100 mAh battery, and with the kind of screen and processor, you'll completely be getting 6 to 7 hours of screen on time, and that is already a full day with no problem. Even though I expected a bigger capacity, because this device possesses the silicon carbon battery technology, which is basically the newest technology when it comes to smartphone battery, and it just simply means you can infuse bigger capacity in a very slim form factor. Like in a very slim body, you can infuse bigger capacity. So I expected the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere to have a bigger battery because it has the carbon silicon technology. But hey, even the $1,200 Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't even have this technology. It also supports 70 watt fast charging, which charges up to 50% in like 20 minutes. No wireless charging though, which is a bummer at this price point, considering that the cheaper Infinix Note 50 has a 90 watt wired charging and a 30 watt wireless charging. But hey, how many people in the real world do actually use or care about wireless charging? Do you even care about wireless charging? Do you use wireless charging? Let me know your thoughts and opinion down below in the comments. So, should you spend 720,000 naira on the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere? I would say yes, why not? If you are looking for a premium design, a killer display, a top tier camera experience, and a powerful performance that can handle everyday multitasking with ease and no problem, this is the most complete phone Tecno has made in 2025. It is not cheap and it's not for everyone, but for what you're getting, I would say it is worth considering, especially if you want that flagship feel or something close to flagship without going full iPhone or full Samsung. That is my review on the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere. Thank you so much for watching as always. Will you go for the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere, or you pick something over it like the Samsung Galaxy A56, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus? Would you pick those devices over the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere? Let us know down below in the comment. Would you stick with the Tecno Camon 40 Premiere? Let us also know down below in the comment. And again, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel to support us. Our aim is 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and we are almost there. Thank you so much again, and as always, love, peace, silence.